Hello guys and welcome to Zen of Tech. This is Daniel, and in this video I will be showing you how to install Windows 8 on your Mac machine. Now before I start the video, all I want to say is that these are the people who posted comments in my previous videos answering the question of the video. Now as you can see, these are the comments which you guys posted in the previous videos. Now if you want to get your comment into my next video, all you have to do is answer the question of the video, which will be asked by me at the end of this video. Okay, so let's install Windows 8 on this baby. Okay, so to install Windows 8, you need at least a 1 GHz single core CPU, or a faster one obviously. Also, you need 1 GB of RAM to install the 32-bit version of Windows 8, and at least 2 GB of RAM to install the 64-bit version of the Windows 8. Now also you need 64 megabytes, yep, megabytes not gigabytes, of video memory, and at least 20 gigabytes of storage to install Windows 8 on. Okay, now the first step is to plug your MacBook in. If you have a MacBook, plug it in. Now if you have an iMac, obviously it's already plugged in. Now go to Launchpad. Oh, I forgot to mention this works on Mountain Lion as well. Now go to Launchpad and type in Boot Camp, and it opens up Boot Camp Assistant. Now click Continue. Now you want to have those two boxes ticked. So download the latest Windows support software from Apple and install Windows 7. Now although it says install Windows 7 instead of 8, trust me, it works for Windows 8 as well. So have those boxes checked and click Continue. Then click Save a copy to an external drive. This is basically the Windows support software. These are the drivers for your MacBook. Or for your Mac, if you have an iMac. Anyway, you want to save those drivers to an external drive or a DVD. It's your option, but I prefer saving it to an external drive. So click this button and click Continue. Now select the location in which you want to save your Windows support. Now again, this has to be on external drive. It has to be on a USB drive, not your computer, because you need to plug the USB drive in after Windows 8 has installed, and just install the drivers. Now I'm not going to do this because I've already done so, but click Save. Now go back, untick this, and simply install Windows 8. Click Continue. Now here you need to partition the drive. Now unfortunately I have an SSD drive and not a traditional hard drive, which means that although it's incredibly fast, I have less storage. By the way, if you want to check out my SSD video, how I installed it, what SSD I have, just click those two annotations and you will be taken to the SSD unboxing and SSD installation tutorial. Anyway, I suggest making the partition at least 40 gigabytes in size, but since I have an SSD and I don't have any space left, I will be making it only 20 gigabytes in size. So again, 40 gigabytes in size at least, but that depends on your storage. Okay, so click Install. Now the disk is being partitioned. Now I forgot to mention something. You need a Windows 8 installation disk to install Windows 8, obviously. Now if you don't know how to make a bootable DVD, click this annotation and you will be taken to a video of mine on how to make a bootable DVD. Now if you don't have a Mac with an optical drive, so you don't have a DVD slot, then obviously you need to install Windows 8 from a USB drive. Now if you don't know how to make a bootable Windows 8 USB drive, just click this annotation and you will be taken to the video. Now I'll just stop this, and I'll be back when the partitioning has finished. Okay, so now my Mac has restarted. It has partitioned the drive, and now the installation should start in a jiffy. So as you can see, the Windows 8 logo has appeared on my screen. Okay, so a Windows 8 box has appeared. Let me just focus. the box. I don't know if you can see, but anyway, the first is the language to install, time and currency format, and keyboard and input method. So it's United States for me, all of them. Just click next and click install now. Setup is starting. Now, as you can see, the Windows 8 installation is asking you for a product key. Now it's pretty complicated to install it without a product key. So you need a product key, an original Windows 8, the genuine one, to install this. I have one, and I have some good news. I have multiple Windows 8s, which I'm not going to use, so I will be giving one away to a lucky winner. But I will post a video. Probably next video will be about a giveaway on how to participate in the contest. But anyway, you will have a chance of winning a genuine Windows 8 Professional Edition. Anyway, just type in the product key and click next. Then click I accept the license terms. Of course, that no one reads this. Come on. Then click custom install Windows only. Now, if you have a Windows 7 on your machine, probably not, but if you do, you can upgrade Windows 7 to Windows 8 by simply inserting a disk, the Windows 8 installation disk, while you are on Windows 7. So you don't have to do the boot camp thing. Anyway, click boot camp. So you have to be on the boot camp drive. Take a look at the size. It has to be around 20 gigabytes or around the size that you chose. Then click drive options and format. Now be careful not to format a different drive. So be careful to choose boot camp and the size that you've chosen, and click format. Click OK. And in a couple of seconds your disk should be formatted. Okay, then click continue or next. And the Windows installation has begun. Now, depending on your drive, it should take you a couple of minutes to a couple of hours to install. Mine took about 7 minutes, 6 to 7 minutes, because I have an SSD. But if you have a traditional hard drive, it should take no more than, I don't know, 30 minutes, 1 hour, something like that. Anyway, I'll be back once the installation is done. Okay, so the installation is almost finished. As you can see, the Windows needs to restart in a couple of seconds. Now, do not press any key to boot from the DVD, because you don't need to do that. You've already done that. So just wait for Windows to start. Okay, so Windows 8 has started. So as you can see, now you have to choose a theme. Well, let me just focus. You have to choose a theme. So I guess I'll just go with black and blue. Now, PC name, type in a name. In my case, Daniel, and click next. Settings, express settings. Let me just focus again. Express settings. Click use express settings. Now you need to type in your username and your password, which obviously I'm not going to show you. So I'll be back once everything's done. Hi. While we're getting things ready, check out the new way to use Windows. After your PC is ready, move your mouse into any corner. And by the way, like for my Batman voice. Let's start. Okay, so as you can see, we are now into Metro. So what you want to do is click desktop here. Now desktop has loaded. Now go to this library icon. then go to Computer. Now you have to install the drivers, the Windows support software. So I'm just going to go to the destination where I installed those, so Windows support, and click Setup. Click Yes. Click Next. I accept, blah blah blah, next, and install. And I'll be back once the software has installed. Then now click the arrow here. Click Boot Camp. Click Boot Camp Control Panel. Yes. Now select Mac OS X as the primary as the primary operating system. Click Apply. Then you can select your options, dragging and stuff like that. On the secondary tab. Okay. Now simply restart your computer. Now if you don't know how to do this, just open this thingy up, press Settings, Power, and Restart. Now again, to restart into Windows, all you have to do is hold the Option key pressed. That's the Alt key, that one. Just keep it pressed, and now you'll have a couple of options. Boot Macintosh SSD, which is the drive where my Mac OS installed Windows, and this is the disk. So just click, select Windows and press Enter. Again, do not press any key to boot from CD or DVD. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like it if you enjoyed the video. Also, please subscribe to my channel, because by doing so you highly motivate me on producing more content for you guys. Also, the question of the video is, do you have Windows 8? If not, do you plan on buying it? And if yes, what version of Windows 8 are you planning on buying? So, by answering the question of the video, your comment will have a chance of being posted in my next video. So that would be basically it. Again, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget about a chance to win a Windows 8 copy. So yes, I am doing a giveaway, a Windows 8 Professional, which is the most expensive and also the most advanced Windows edition. So all you have to do is go to this video, the Windows 8 giveaway, and follow the steps in that video to participate in the giveaway. So that was basically it. Again, thank you again for watching this video, and you know, as always, cheers.